everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you here today. In today's video, I am sharing with you my summer home tour, and I'm so excited to show you how it all came together. In my last few videos, I have been showing some DIYs and some summer touches that I've put up in my home, and now I'm going to take you through the main level of my house because that's where I did the majority of the decorating. And starting in this entryway, I recently redid that little bench, and I will leave a link to the video where I redid that. And then over on this wall behind my front door, I put up this basket that I had, this tray. I love it, but I do have to admit, I saw Dana from Decorate with Dana do this in her hallway, and I absolutely fell in love with it. And I remembered I had this tray sitting around where I wasn't using it, so I decided to do the same thing. So thank you, Dana, for this wonderful idea. But for the most part, I'm just going to play some music and let you wander through my main level and see what I did. And I will leave a playlist link down below where you can go check out all the videos that made this home tour come together. But I love the way it turned out. My home feels light and airy for the summer, but also very inviting, I think, and very cozy. So I hope you enjoy. that you are enjoying my home tour so far. I did want to mention that I think this is one of the first times I can remember in a long time where my main level just feels so cohesive. I'm using the same colors in each room. Maybe the accent color is a little different in the rooms, but each room just seems to flow together so much better this year, and it's giving my home a really cozy and inviting vibe, and I love it. The other thing I am trying to do this year as well is to add a lot more texture into my spaces, and I think I'm still learning. It's still a learning curve, but I am loving the way all these textures are coming together.
Reality, and as the days pass, the story began. Pushed and pulled until they ran. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith, to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed up, and then get rid of. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least some.
One of the major changes I made in my kitchen this summer was to move my coffee station onto this countertop from its original location, which was in the little nook opposite this countertop. And we are loving having the extra space, and I am so excited to keep it here and decorate it in this spot for all the different seasons. I think it's just going to be so pretty. And the other change I made since my kitchen decorate with me video is I replaced the riser that I used here with this beautiful wood tray with the iron handles. I already had this tray on hand. I've used it in another bunch of different places in my home, and I just love this tray. It makes the space look so cozy, so put together, and it still hides everything behind it, all those cords.
I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith, to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed up, and then get rid of. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness, I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. 66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
I wanted to give you a little bit of a bonus, that something I've never shared before, and it's my backyard. And it just looks so beautiful on this day. I had to share it. Unfortunately, we didn't have all the cushions out on the chairs or the umbrella or the chairs up because a storm was coming in. So I had to film very quickly. But here's a look at our backyard and all the greenery. It just looks so beautiful at this time of year. And it's something I've never really shown. I'm really happy with the way it looks. That hosta in the planter is just gorgeous. I am so in love with it. It's the first year that it's really filled in this whole planter. But I want to thank you so much for spending some time with me today and walking through my home. I hope that you enjoyed this and you'll think about subscribing and joining my little growing YouTube family here. I would love to have you join me each week as I share more things home related. I would also appreciate if you would like and share this video. It really helps my channel out a lot. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I tend to share more than just home decor items over there. And until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope that you have a wonderful week. Bye.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky.